it's Jamie
and Josie,
and we got some new additions on the farm.
Yes, this is Dixie.
She's the only girl of the bunch. And these are our boys. This is Danny and this is Dallas.
So they all start with D, and they have this tack room to play in. That's where we're in right now.
And we're going to be showing you guys some more additions that we got throughout this video.
Bye. Dixie. 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 So that was the tack room we were just in, and let's go find Annie. When we call her name, she comes running. Annie!
I see her up on the hill.
Where's she? Oh, she's way up there.
Annie!
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 Let's see if I can zoom in. There she is.
If we go in,
She's coming. She put her ears up. Come on, Annie. And there she comes. Aww. Say hi to YouTube. Let's see if she follows. Good girl. Come on, girl. We love Annie. She's a sweetheart. She loves her.
it's really awkward.
Her bottom being itched.
And then, look at this right there. Look at it.
Do you have the bows?
I do.
So yesterday, Jamie put some bows in her hair. She's a little princess. And her hair's perfect for bows because it's really short. Yeah. You want to put some bows in her hair? Okay. Okay, so Annie has all her bows on.
So she has so many combinations.
For crimson tide. Now she fits it.
Yeah, there's a girl.
loves her ears being scratched.
Alright, so we show them Annie's area.
So we have this mini barn.
And this is where the tack room is over here. And that's where we were just at. Where the kittens are. And then in here, this is kind of like a stall area. It's too small for Annie though, so we don't put that.
So this is like Annie's little crib for now. She can come in here if it rains.
Right here, so you can see us. So she likes staying here. And then
She has her salt block.
this is our future chicken coop. So in here, there's always like nesting boxes with nets on the bottom. Except for the problem is over here, we're chickens. There's no mess.
Bye bye chicken. So yeah, we can fix this up.
And there's roosting poles already. And Annie for now stands right in here until we build a door for the little chickies. Wait. You'll see soon. And this is an abandoned rabbit hut.
Oh yeah, if we ever want to get rabbits, we would just need to fix this area up. And then this is where Annie likes to hang out.
A little stall. And it's good because Annie loves it, and it's good because it provides shelter to the kittens.
Bye Annie. But wait.
There's more. So the next thing that we got are
Chicks.
we got them from Murray McMurray Chicken Hatchery.
We have 14.
And they are precious.
Yes. And we asked you to suggest some names, and you did.
And thank you for everyone who commented on Twitter and Instagram. We're excited to show you guys the names.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so these are the little chicks we got from Murray McMurray.
We think we know which one the exotic chicken is.
And then really beautiful colors, yeah.
I want you to keep drinking water.
Our brother put electrolytes.
Yeah, it came with the chicks, and it's just to help them get healthier from the shipping.
There's also food.
And that's also what was underneath all the packaging in the box that the chicks came in. And it's called Grow Gel, and it will also help them for the next couple days, and it can feed up to 100 chickens.
You guys came up with awesome names, very creative. We love them all, and we picked a few that we think would be great for our 14 chickens.
Thank you guys so much for watching,
Appreciate the name suggestions you guys gave.
and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, and roll tide!